Hey everyone, today we're taking a closer look at this Electro Harmonix Echo, the #1 Echo digital delay. 9-volt in, amp out input from your guitar. Nice solid box, kind of like a galvanized steel box. The label is printed, that is not a sticker, so it's actually printed right to it. So nice quality pedal. Let's go ahead and take a listen. This is with everything facing north. Gibson Les Paul, Marshall amp. We could pick up the delay time. Turn the blend down a little so it kind of tapers off. So it gives a nice delay, but the main note stays pronounced. Turn the feedback up. You get a lot of different echo tones with this, because now you can turn the delay time up but turn the feedback up and you get kind of this different type of echo. Turn the feedback down. Wow, that's cool. So you get a lot of different weird echoes and delays with this. So pretty cool. So fun pedal, and you can definitely get yourself set up with something awesome.